going to guess that's what this one's for. Ah! Yes, there we go. How much of the straw does it need? I guess exactly that much, however much that was. Alright, that wasn't so bad. Oh, that was fun. That was fun. That was fantastic. Doing tricks with that. Hmm. We need some hay and we need some oats for our horses. And I can't grow either of those, so I think what we're going to do is we're actually going to go back to that straw spreader and pull the bale fork out and use that as a pallet fork. Where are you? And drop that. Excellent. So we're going to use our free bale fork as a pallet fork. And go back to the shop and buy a nice little flatbed trailer and grab ourselves a pallet of oats and a bale of hay and see if that's enough. Actually, we'll get 2 of each and see if that's enough for the horses. Hopefully, that's all we need. And then I can just start like actually growing. I can actually grow some oats, I guess. And work up enough money to buy that field of grass right near the farm for turning into hay. Progress. So yeah, I'm under mandatory work from home, like don't leave your house lockdown because I'm in San Jose. And I'm a truck driver, so there's not a whole lot of working from home I can do. So, what better time to start a farm? Big bags, let's do 2 oats and 2 bales of hay. Yeah, and then we just need a trailer that can move those. And I learned this lesson already. I think it's just under that. Where I think it's this trailer. Yes, you can turn this into a flatbed. And it's only 8,000, so let's just buy that. Perfect. See if I can just get both of these bales at once. Save ourselves a whole bunch of time. There we go. That wasn't so bad. Almost look like I know what I'm doing every now and then. Oh, I just realized that hiccup in our stream was right at midnight Pacific. So that was probably just like my router resetting or something. Alright, so 1 pallet of oat. It's fine if this pallet's not perfectly centered because we can just bump it over with the second one. I should probably take the seeds back with me while I'm here too. Just save myself a trip. Because I filled my seeder from this pallet because I bought it at the same time before. Oh, I missed that entirely, didn't I? Yeah. I think that's on an actual like proper pallet too, so I can come at it from a different direction. I don't have to pick it up long ways. So if I'm right, I should be able to get it on there in front of the hay bales. We'll see. Just gently nudge that over. No, 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 no. No, no. There we go. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Can I strap that? Can I not strap that? Really? Oh. Haha! Then... Ah! Perfect. Okay. That last strap doesn't feel entirely secure. It's fine. It's fine. Everything's fine. Let's just pick this up on this side, and if we can't get it on the trailer, we'll try the other way. Is that gonna fit? I don't think it'll fit just right. And there's a little more space on the other side. We'll try that. This is professional farming right here. Just barely. If I just undo that strap. Okay, get off. Get off. And we'll just gently nudge these back a little. I'm messing this all up, aren't I? I don't think this is how you're supposed to use the bale fork, but it's fine. I think that worked. Can strap you down again? Haha! Alright, now if that actually made enough space, that'll be awesome. Oh, I think it's just enough. I think I need the pallet higher. Oh, that's perfect. No, 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 no! Oh my gosh. That doesn't seem quite right. Please stay. Okay. We're good. We're good. Everything's fine. exactly as planned. I would like to borrow you, please. Thank you. Oh, that was ridiculous. Alright. I'm super good at this game. Nobody better. Nope. This should be everything we need to take care of our horses until we've actually got like some of our own crops growing. Hopefully. Hopefully. Let's screenshot that. Bam. Oh, the game does not like it when I screenshot while I'm streaming. Got it. Okay. That was a little bit of a freak out there on the side of Twitch. Thanks to the Xbox. That's fine. I've got a chat pad on my controller, so I have a dedicated screenshot button on my controller thanks to that. Okay, let's see. This one was food. Oh wait, nope, unfasten, there we go. Ah. So let's give them their oats. I think you can pick these pallets up long ways. I don't honestly know. It sure looks like it. Aha! Come get your oats, horses. Oh, we're gonna need more oats. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh no. We're gonna need so many more oats. Let's... Hopefully the second pallet will fill it up. I'm suddenly worried. Also, this is like an oat hose. Oh, good. I think we need more oats. Oh, no. Oh my gosh, we need like 6 more pallets of oats. Oh, no. Let's see how the hay does. Maybe we'll get lucky. And hay will just be super cooperative. Oh. Well, alright. I'll just leave this one here. Alright, so we only needed 1 bale of hay, but we needed like 4 more pallets of oats. Oh. Alright. I guess we did need that bale of hay. Hello, horse. I think you're Prickles. Hi, Prickles. Oh yeah, no, we're good on hay now. That was exactly what we needed. Was 2 bales. We just need a lot more oats. That's fine. That's fine. Let's actually ride the horses. Can I ride you, Prickles? Hey, Prickles, Prickles. Oh, yes. Go. Go forward. How do I... Oh, it's like a car. Okay. Alright. Cool. Can we jump over... Oh, gosh. Sure, why not? Why not? That's fine. I can't do first person on the horse, unfortunately. Clop, 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 clop. Whee! Whee! Does the horse trample crops? I don't actually know because those aren't really grown. Let's take the horse to some actual crops. This thing handles great, by the way. How much do I actually have to ride this? Oh, gosh. Alright, so... Oh, no, we're 23% for daily riding. 24. Okay, so we don't have to ride it too long. Let's try and trample some crops here. Does horse trample plant? Does not appear so. So we'll ride Prickles, get him up to 100%, and then, okay, we'll try these. These will definitely, if Prickles can damage crops, this will do it. No, okay, so horses don't damage crops. That's good to know. I don't think. Are we, actually? Did we actually just damage those crops? I couldn't tell. No, I don't see a trail being left. If it is, it's super narrow. I think we're just like pushing the bushes out of the way. It's fine. Horse Simulator, this is not, no. We just have to get the bar up to 100% every day, and then we can sell the horses for a profit. Do you think we can ride the horse like straight up this cliff? Oh my gosh. Aw. Whoa, oh my god. All right. Okay. Got some Skyrim horses here. All right. All right. This might be horrible for Prickles, and I apologize if this ends badly. No, we've got a super horse. All right. We have a super horse. Good to know. Oh my gosh. I wasn't... It stopped us, and then it let us do it at a slower pace. I was not expecting that. Also, I'm trying really hard not to cough into the mic again. How are we on 73%? So I just need to like circle the horse paddock a few times. I can't believe you just walked straight up the side of the mountain. Ah, fun. Let's do it again. Alright, so this one's like an overhang. Can we walk up this one? Yep. That is amazing. Spider horse does whatever a spider horse does. That's never gonna get old. That is never gonna get old. Oh god, spider horse. Ah. Got some lovely wind whooshing sounds up here. So do we actually have to be moving the horse to make the thing go up? Or can I just like sit on the horse and make the daily riding go up? Okay, I think it looks like I have to actually be moving. Alright, so that's not the worst. Whee! Can leap an entire boulder in a single bound. Okay, 2 bounds. Whatever. I feel like the least responsible horse owner ever. Ah! Sure, why not? Why not? Are we good? We're good. Oh, we can go backwards. All right, that's exciting. How do I get? Okay. Oh, the horse magically teleported over here, and now the horse is dirty. Okay. We good? I think we're good. All right. Yeah, I guess we're good. All right. So let's. Now we ride Gusty. Just do kind of the same thing, and then we will call it a night. All right. So is that? Now is where we find out whether that was just Prickles' superpower or if all of the horses in this game are spider horses. To the mountains. All right, so they can't run up walls, but they can walk up walls, which I feel like... Oh, yep. That's fantastic. This is a quality game. Ooh, look! Like a secret bunker. What is this? Is the horse gonna stay here? I hope the horse stays here. Private property, no trespassing. Hello down there! So just like a nondescript solid concrete building. I'm sorry, do you not like... Oh, what the... What have... There's just like a jug of water and a chair on top of a mountain. All right, sure. Why not? Why not? Okay. Oh, no, no, no. No, I didn't mean to jump off the horse. Yeah, sure. That looked fine. Oh, this is fantastic. Quality horse physics in Farming Simulator. Oh no. I just can't believe the horses can walk up walls. Alright, so let's take our horse into the toxic oil fields. Because obviously that's going to be fine for the horse. Crude oil and horses, I assume everybody oils the horse, right? Like that's just a thing. Oh, we found a wall we can't walk up, so we can't walk up solid fences. That's good to know. Well, I mean, not that one. Let's try this one. All right, so can I walk up this fence? No, but you can stick your head through it. Alright, so there are some limitations to Spider Horse. How about the building? Does the building read differently than fence? Alright, so... not perfect spider horsing. Okay. I am far too easily amused by the whole spider horse phenomenon. It's just fantastic. I can't believe... Okay, so we've proven there's no car alarm feature in the game. Though it was very confusing because it sounded like a car alarm went off like right before I jumped on the car. Oh, sorry, tree. Oh my gosh! Alright. There's another nondescript bunker and a radio tower. Just I started climbing that tree. That was fantastic. Oh, I'm just far too easily amused by Spider Horse. I think this is my farm. Yeah, it's my farm. You can see our trailer. Spider Horse! So what all is up here? Looks like this is just like a tree harvesting kind of area. Like we can buy this hillside and cut down all these trees and make a bunch of money. I don't know if we can make back what we spend on the trees. Hey, look, what a coincidence. Another bunker. Also, how on earth do you get into that one? There's no gate in the fence. Cool. Whee! Alright, so what is this? This is just like a nice big flat area. Alright, so this is useful to know about. So like, I guess we could put some fields in here, or this might actually make like a really good spot to put cows and pigs and stuff. I'm guessing if you like start on easy mode where you get a bunch of free stuff, this like, because it looks like mud texture. I wonder if this is where it spawns in like default pigsties in like a default pigsty and cattle yard. Or it is a dry lake bed, it could be. Dry lake bed does seem reasonable. Are these shadows or are they just more mud? Nope, those are just shadows. Are we good on this? Yeah, we're good on Gusty. Let's get him back to the fence. Put Gusty away. Clean him off. And I will call it a night because I actually do have to be awake tomorrow morning. I don't get to go to work anymore, but I have to be awake to be on a phone call. So. Yep, that's a normal horse thing. Just normal horse things. You think I can jump onto the trailer and then onto the roof of the shed? Aw. Maybe if we jump off the truck. Oh, I missed. Okay, nope. That didn't quite work. Perfectly normal horse things. Alright, let's just get you back in here. Stop. Oh. It's kind of unsettling how the horses teleport like 30 feet away when you drop them off. Are you good? Are we good? Yeah, you're good. Alright. Okay, and you're still clean. Alright, so that's Gusty and Prickles ridden for the day. So, presumably they'll be worth more money tomorrow. And the next day. And the day after that. So I will see you guys. I'll probably just stream this again tomorrow. And we'll keep making the horses better. And hopefully we'll actually have some crops growing by then. Who knows? Thank you so much for watching. Thanks for hanging out, Ferricine, in the chat. And I will see you tomorrow. Have a great day. Perfectly normal horse things.